So guys, we just came into our hotel room and I'm about to give you a tour. So guys, they gave us a little laundry closet. They have the laundry and the dryer. And next they have like a little picture. And then we have 2 bedrooms. And then we have a TV. And then, guys, look here outside. Oh, so this is where my mom and dad are gonna sleep. And then this is their bathroom. The master bed. And they got a bathroom. They gave us a couple of things. And then here is the family room. We have a seat where we can eat, a chair, a couch, and then we just got this. And then we got another drawer. Yeah, this is where all the plugs and energy go to. And then we have the kitchen. They gave us more things. They gave us a dishwasher, soap, cloths, yeah, and all that. And then we got the oven and the microwave. This is a fridge, of course. Ooh, they got the freezer. Let's see if they gave us things inside the drawer. Yep, they gave us a toaster and they gave us a heater. They got those 2 drawers. I can't reach them, but I can reach this one. So they gave us some bowls and cups, so you don't have to buy them. So thank you. And we got this. We got some more cups up there. And then we got these bowls. And then this is a flip out bed. So once you pull its corners, boom, it becomes into a bed. So this, when you pull this, and when you pull this, it goes down into a bed. See? And look. We're close to the beach. And there's like a little park playground. And there's like a lazy river. And there's all the other people. Hi! Stay tuned.